Let's make some lemon curd. To start, you want to place a pot onto the stove, and while it's off, you want to add your ingredients. You want to add 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, 200 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 150 grams of caster sugar, and you want to mix that with a spatula to combine those ingredients. It is important you don't use any metal whisk or spoons while you make this. You want to mix this in a figure-8 motion, and every few times you want to go around the edges just to make sure nothing curdles around the edge. After around 8 minutes, you can see the mixture is starting to thicken. You want to keep mixing, and after around 12 minutes, it should be the consistency that we're after. You want to turn the heat off, and you want to add in 100 grams of softened butter and mix this until it's combined. Once it's thoroughly combined, you want to get a measuring jug and a sift, and you want to pour that into the sift just to remove any lumps. Once that's done, you want to cover it with some Glad wrap and place it in the fridge for roughly around 2 hours to let it cool down. While this is cooling down, you want to sterilize the jar. After 2 hours, you can place this into your clean sterilized jar and place it in the fridge overnight to completely set before you serve it. And that's it. Lemon curd made at home, so easy and so simple. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have liked it and enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.